Sign number 4. They disrespect your boundaries. This is called the line crosser. You set a boundary. Maybe it's, please don't call me after 10 p.m. Or, I need some space this weekend. Or, that joke really hurt my feelings. And what happens? They ignore it. They push. They guilt trip you. Oh, come on, don't be so sensitive. Or, but I need you. Psychology 101, respecting boundaries, is fundamental to trust and safety. Someone who constantly bulldozes your limits is not showing care. They're showing they value their own comfort over your convenience. That's not okay. Sign number 5, you're making all the effort. This is called the ghosting game. Who's always initiating the texts, the calls, the plans? If it's consistently you, and they often flake, respond super late with no apology, or just seem generally uninterested, pay attention. Healthy relationships involve mutual effort. Psychology shows that feeling like you're chasing someone creates insecurity and resentment. If they're not showing up for the friendship, they're showing you where you stand. Stop running after someone who won't walk beside you.